So recently I had a major problem with my shoulder. It was nearly frozen. It was preventing me from working out. I had flexibility issues with it. This had been going on for months. I came into BHS and I had after the first treatment probably about an 80 to 90% improvement, and after the second treatment I got about another 10% improvement from that. So a problem that had taken months and months that just wouldn't go away, I was able to, without taking a pill, without a surgery, have incredible results literally in the first 2 weeks. One of the things that I've personally struggled with, and I think a lot of people struggle with, is getting the right amount of sleep. And doing some work with red lights here at BHS, I had a very surprising outcome, which is that I suddenly realized I was sleeping more soundly and through the night. That was a good thing, because sleep is so important to your overall health. And it was actually unexpected. We were doing some work with the red lights, and then I realized afterwards, I started looking back and saying, man, I'm actually sleeping all the way through the night and waking up feeling a whole lot more rested in the morning. I did my own research on that, started reading about it and seeing that this is not an uncommon occurrence, that people who are getting this therapy are oftentimes reporting that this is the outcome they get to. When I was having problems with my shoulder, I tried a number of other treatments. BHS suggested I try shockwave therapy. I've been familiar with some of the modalities surrounding that from my time as an Olympic athlete, but I'd never actually had shockwave therapy done on the site of an injury. So I came into the office and had shockwave done around my sort of entire shoulder. They targeted the spot of the injury. To be honest, I was a little cynical. I've had a lot of treatments done and I'd never had this one done before, but I was very impressed with the response. It was literally 80 to 90% improvement after one treatment and within about a day, and then it kept on getting better after that.